Hey guys, this is a progress of what Bini Maloys wear in Urbanson Antipolo guys. So, ito siya. So, it's a balloon. Actually guys, this is made from a polo. Oversized polo siya. So, ginawa ko siyang ganito mga. It's giving Bini Maloy. Wait. This is how I will become Bini Maloy. See? Feels so good. Bawat araw mas sumasaya. Pag ika'y kapiling na feels so good with you. Parang isla tropical. Baby, to perfect you. Sa islang pa-tropical. Pa-tropical, pa-tropical. Sa islang pa-tropical. Yeah. So tomorrow, kita-kits tayo guys.